Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are gonna make an interesting stuff, Hershey. Just try this Hershey exotic dark blueberry and ACAI flavored scented chocolate. Hope you like it. Let's try. I'll do a review and I will tell you guys how it is. So I have a scissor. I'm gonna cut this. Here you go. Check this out. So we have around 10, I guess so. Then what is ACAI? Somebody knows, let me know. Comment below. I have no idea. Blueberry and ACAI. How do I pronounce it? Anybody have got any idea? Let me know. We have around 10 in this pack, and this pack comes with the ingredients like as usual blueberry 2.2%, acai, and sugar, cocoa butter, milk solid, emulsifiers, and a lot of things. You can read it, you can just go ahead and do it. And this is a price, it comes with 55 rupees. So here we go. Let's do this, how it feels. Okay, so here I'm gonna try this for the first time, so hope it will be good. The texture is like this. It's cool. Let's see. Let me taste and see how it goes. Okay. Here's the first bite. Here inside you can see raspberry or blueberry, I guess, and acai. I don't know what it is. So you can. In the center we have the fruits, and it's coated with chocolate. It's bitter with blueberry bitterness is there, and you can see it's little. It's good. If you like blueberry flavor, definitely go for this. Let me try once more. Initially I'm getting the chocolate coating, chocolate flavor, because it has a chocolate coating, and as and when it smells, I started getting the flavor of blueberry. I don't know what is it. I just have to serve this. I can see there is a whole makes me this chocolate is only one layer, and the whole blueberry they have put inside, so we get a whole texture like this. Chocolate is just one coating. As you go deeper in the center, it's a big chunk of blueberry. It's nice. Thumbs up. If you like berry, you're a fan of berry, please go ahead and try it. It's good. Hope you like this video. If you like it, hit the subscribe button, like it, comment it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channels. Keep watching my videos and come with a new topic, and let me know what you guys want me to try. It's really good. I wish I could share with you people, but definitely if you get a chance, try this. Thanks for watching. Keep watching. Hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Have a nice day.